This is Hubiz, the first audio-based gaming console. You can play it alone or with others. Hubiz offers a huge variety of games, such as quizzes, dice games, music guessing, and even educational games. Basically, Hubiz can be your party starter at prees, your kid's entertainer, your storyteller, and much more. You can select games and quizzes from our app or create your own quiz games. With Hubiz, there are no limitations. You can connect up to 16 dice to the console. The dice works as a controller with 6 clickable buttons, one at each side. Since the dice has a built-in sensor, Hubiz can recognize the number rolled on the dice. This means you have a smart dice and can play every dice game you can imagine. Now it's your turn. You can start the game. Just simply switch on the hub, choose the game from the app, grab your dice, and start having fun.
Let's play an awesome quiz game. First question, which planet is the biggest in our solar system? Is it 1, Earth, 2, Venus, 3, Jupiter, or 4, Saturn? Lucy and Ethan, you are right. The correct answer is 3, Jupiter.
Since Hubiz comes with a rechargeable battery, it's 100% portable, so you can play it anytime, anywhere.
Let's play music guessing. From which movie is the following music? Is it 1, Gladiator, 2, Dark Knight, 3, Interstellar, or 4, Shutter Island? Sarah, you are right. The correct answer is 2, Dark Knight.
Our idea is to encourage friends, families, and children to spend more time together having fun. Support us to produce the first audio-based gaming console at a large scale and make Hubiz available for everyone.